My main responsibility is to help people out. My main responsibility is to find people a mortgage to get them into a home, whether it's their first home or an existing home, an investment property. My job is to find a way to close the loan and make sure that the process was smooth. The most gratifying part for me as a loan officer at Academy Mortgage is the ability to help people, the ability to find solutions for people's problems. Some people don't always have perfect credit. Those that do, make the transition smooth. It's not easy finding bank statements and documents that you haven't looked at in 6-7 years. You got to make it fun. It's a responsibility that we have. Your largest investment of your life is probably your house. And it's my job to make that process as easy and as fundamentally accurate as possible. I guarantee you'll smile through the process. There'll be a little bit of pain finding some of those documents. But at the end of the day, the gratifying part is to see how many relationships that I've built over the years. I've got several friends out of doing a mortgage for them or their family. It's just an awesome responsibility to have. Community service is a vital role at Academy. Not only as a branch what we do, but personally what I do. I'm very involved in Little League. I'm actually on the board of directors for Gilbert National Little League. My two sons play Little League. We sponsored their team as Academy Mortgage, the Academy Mortgage Mariners. They're also in Pop Warner. I'm actually the offensive line coach on their Pop Warner team. Enjoy it. Love to give back to the community. There was one time where I received a phone call as a referral from a gal in Bullhead City. She was already working with a lender, and it got to the end of basically the sale date, and they pulled the plug and said that she didn't qualify. She had 10 days, literally 10 days, to get into her house. She was in a panic. She had just lost her husband, and we were able to, in 10 days, get her from start to finish. She had already had the appraisal done, but we got her into her new home because her other home had already sold in 10 days. And she, to this day, she actually just sent me a Twitter invitation, and this was last year. She sent me a Twitter invitation to follow her on Twitter. This is an older gal, and my mom's actually is the Queen Mom in Bullhead City, and I'm trying to introduce them too because they really have a great time for the Red Hats. But just the fact that I was able to, with partnering here with underwriting and processing, just as a team, and be able to get her completely into her house in 10 days and to meet that deadline was unbelievable. And she's a lifelong friend because of it. She will recommend me to anybody, and that's our goal here. My name is Chad Cook. I'm with Academy Mortgage here in Mesa.